Hey guys, it's Alexis here with another What's Up Weekly with Paul Davis. So if you tuned in last week, I did a quick tour of the warehouse where our contents division does their work, and I showed you the crates and the kind of overview of the contents cleaning area. But at the end of last week, I was able to catch the crew cleaning contents, and it's really cool to kind of see what they do behind the scenes, because so often you see what they do in the field when they're packing out contents and they're working really hard, packing all the boxes, carrying them all out to the truck. But very few people actually get to see them work to clean the physical contents. So I took some footage of them cleaning and I wanted to show it to you because it's really cool, and I hope you enjoy it.